Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert text to table and also table to text using Microsoft Word. I'm using Microsoft 365 apps. If you are using a older version also, you can follow these steps. If you look at here, we have only two sentences in each paragraph. But in this section, we have three sentences in each paragraph. Now I can delete the last sentence from each paragraph easily using the Convert Text to Table feature without spending much time. For that, I will select all this information. Then I will remove the numbering. Now I will go to Insert tab. Then I will choose Table and then I will choose Convert Text to Table option. You can create the table by choosing separate text as paragraphs or commas or tabs or any other special character such as hyphen. In this case, I have chosen hyphen to separate the text. I have inserted hyphens where I want to divide the sentences into separate columns. Depending on these hyphens location, my text will be converted into a multi-column table. Now click on OK button. I want to delete the last two columns. To delete the columns, just select them and go to Layout tab and then choose Delete Columns. Now I want to convert this table into text format again. For that, select the table by clicking here and click on Convert to Text option, which is available in Layout tab. There are two tabs with the same title called Layout. The first one belongs to Page Layout and the second one belongs to the Tables. I will choose Paragraph Marks from these options. Now we got the information in text format. Now I will apply numbering format to this text. I will also decrease the indent. Now we are able to delete the last sentence from each paragraph using the table conversion option. Imagine you have 100 pages of content, and if you want to delete some part of sentence at the beginning of each paragraph or in the middle or at the end of the paragraph, you can make use of this technique to save your valuable time. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next video.